it's math time. We are on lesson 147. We are working with money again. A lot of this is going to be review. We're adding in quarters now. And so in this lesson, we will review counting sets of coins that include 1 quarter and some pennies, okay? So, what do we use money for? So here's a chart with all of our coins on them and what they are. So this one up here is a penny, right? And that's worth 1 cent. And a nickel, and that's worth 5. A dime, which is worth 10. And now a quarter, that's worth 25 cents. Okay? So what are some things that we use money for? Well, we use money a lot, right? We have to buy things, our clothes, our food, our cars, our house, gas for the cars. And so we use money to help us every single day. We can give money, right? God asks us to be generous with our money. And so we give to the church. And we can give to other people and give to people in need or help people out. So money is something that is a tool that helps us every day in life. So we're going to be learning some different things. So what is this? This is a quarter. Now my quarters like to slide down the whiteboard. We all know that, right? Remember this from last time? All right, so this is the front of the quarter and the back of the quarter. Now, quarters can have different things, just like all the coins. A lot of them have different backs. Typically, they have the same front. So, like in this quarter, this is the state quarter, or the quarter with the state Maine on it. And so we went through 10 years of time where each state got to decorate a quarter, basically, and it was put into mint. So this one is Maine's, and it looks a little different. And every once in a while, they'll update quarters and pennies, and so they'll look a little different, but they'll still be the same value. So this is a quarter, and a quarter is worth 25 cents. Okay. Now, how many pennies would I need in order for me to make it the same value as a quarter? How much is a penny worth? A penny is worth 1 cent. So how many pennies would I need in order to make 1 quarter? I would need, so that's 1 penny, that's 2, 3 cents, right? 4 cents, 5, now I have 5 cents, which is what, a nickel. So how many pennies would I need? I would need 25 pennies would equal 25 cents, right? 25 pennies, that's a lot of pennies. Or you could just give someone a quarter. Okay, now how many nickels would it take for me to make 25 cents? A nickel's worth how much? 5 cents. So how many would I need to make a quarter? Well, there's 5. And I added another nickel, so that equals 10. And if I add another nickel, that equals 15. Right? What am I doing? Am I counting by 5s? I'm counting by 5s, right? So there's 5, 10, 15, 20, and 25. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 nickels to make 25 cents. So it takes 5 nickels to equal 1 quarter, right? Okay, so let's do this. Let's take this down. That way we don't get confused. Okay, so if I have 1 quarter and 2 pennies, 1/4 and 2 pennies. When you count the value of a set of 1/4 and 2 pennies, which coin should you count first? So if I'm going to count these, which one would I want to count first? Would I want to count the penny? Or would I want to count the quarter? I'd want to count the quarter, and here's why. You want to start with the biggest coin. It's easier for you to count on from there. The quarter has the greatest value. So this quarter is worth how much? Oh my goodness, I almost wrote a dollar sign. How much is the quarter worth? 25 cents, right? Now if I'm counting on and I add a penny, now how much do I have? How much is 1 penny worth? It's worth 1 cent, right? So 25 plus 1, so 25, 26. And I add another penny. That penny is still worth 1 cent. And what do I have now? I have 27 cents, right? So you're just taking it and you're adding on. Now let's say I have for some reason. Okay, so now I have a quarter, and a quarter is worth 25 cents. And I add a penny. Now what do I have? 26. Now what do I have if I add another penny? 27. What do I have if I have another penny? 28. What is happening right now? Am I counting on by ones, right? And I add another penny, and that's 29. So now if I have 1/4 and 4 pennies, I have 29 cents. Okay? So that's pretty much what you're going to be doing, is you're going to label for your seat work. You're going to label the coins, and then you're going to start with the 25, and you're going to count on based on the coin that's presented, which it'll be a penny. So you're going to start with your biggest, and then you'll count on. Now there is a, so read the story, circle the coins needed to buy each hot dog. So Jesse and Drew each want to buy a hot dog. And then you want to count how much money Jesse has. So he has a quarter, and then he has 5 pennies. Okay. So his looks like this. Okay. And Drew has even more money. So you need to circle how much it would be. How much of Jesse's money would you need to use if the hot dog was 26 cents? So if the hot dog is 26 cents, what would I need to circle in here to make 26 cents? Well, I know this is 25, and a penny is 1, so 25 plus 1 is 26. So out of Jesse's money, this is what I would need. And then there's Drew, and he has different coins. So look at his and count how much and circle, just like I did here, for Drew, what he would need, okay? Next is circle the coins needed to make 25 cents. 25 cents. So it gives you just a whole list of coins. Remember a dime? The dime's the little one. This is the little one. The dime is worth 10 cents. So if I'm trying to make 25 cents, this is 10. I would need another dime. Woo, that dime doesn't want to play. Another dime and a nickel, right? Because how much is a nickel worth? So this one's 10 cents. And a nickel is worth 5 cents. So 10 plus 10 is 20, plus 5 is 25 cents, okay? It doesn't have to necessarily be this. If I had 5 pennies, that would work too, right? So you're just going to look at the coins presented and circle them. Then it's review. You're writing the related fact families to 6, 7, and 13. Remember, you can only use those facts. And then practice some time writing the time, all right? All right, have fun doing your seat work, and let me know if you have any questions.